With all these modern homes that are built today, it's very important for us to really upgrade our lighting to be modern as well. We recently completed this outdoor lighting project, and I wanted to show you some modern solutions we use to tie in that home and that design technique. So let's check it out. Hello everyone, I'm Kevin and I'll be your outdoor lighting designer to give you some modern tips today. We're going to start at the driveway entrance with these wonderful marker lights which help delineate the edges of the driveway as you come in. These are heavy duty, you can drive over them and they shoot that lighting pattern sideways so family and guests can navigate easily into the property. They're traditionally core drilled into concrete and pavers. Next, we develop a little mid-ground with this oak tree that we light up all the way around so family can see from the inside as well as guests from outside on the road. Now we're creating layers, foreground, mid-ground, and background to our lighting scene. We choose this transitional tree, which is a beautiful burgundy and plum, Japanese maple, upright. Used a wide beam spread fixture to get the tips and edges really nicely. And as family comes around into the garage area, we want to get that illuminated as well with, again, recessed flush mount fixtures that are core drilled in. And that's going to offset those goosenecks. And we're going to catch that dormer and a little bit of sideline as well to fully encapsulate this modern home. And as we come around to the front of the home, we're going to illuminate with traditional uplighting, but you can see we've got a little bit of structure that's obstructing the light source going up. So to offset that, what we're going to do is pull out a fixture away, and that's an additional fixture that's going to shoot over that window dormer to catch that middle peak. As guests arrive to the front door, you see this beautiful art bollard, which shoots a nice striking pattern out on the concrete walkway and also helps illuminate the staircase. And these are beautiful day and night. They're just amazing structures that come in all shapes and colors. Now, front door, we want focal point. We want to see and direct people into where they need to go. We did, again, recessed fixtures on the porch here as well as that front door area. And this is fairly difficult installation. We have the core drilling, and then we are drilling into crawl space and basement to run wire. So it's really tedious, but the results are worth it. And those lights are way back. They're flush mount, so you can have rocking chairs, etc., and they're not going to get in the way with any activity that you may do on that porch. But the baseline is to get that fullness of the home front with illumination. Next, we go up top to another peak. Now we're on rooftop here, and we're going to choose a little bit of mini fixtures to illuminate properly, still close to the structure to get grazing. Notice how we're avoiding direct window pollution. That's a bedroom, so we want to go side to side and avoid the window direct as best we can. Here's another window dormer rather, that we had to shoot past with an additional fixture to get above and get that peak as well. Now we're going to walk around to the back of the home, and they had this wonderful deck, synthetic material that we core drilled some nice minis, which really illuminate properly for that safe stepping. But it's not overlit. It's just enough to get people up and down safely. 2 landings to get people up and down. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We'd love to have you. And comment on anything you'd love to see next. This is a really neat thing we did for our builder, which is illuminating the mailboxes. So we have both sides have the number of the home. We have this on a different timer. so it stays on all night long, and just arrives people. They know where they're going and what house they're at, and there's no question about it. It's just that little bit of added safety and comfort that we add to our lighting designs. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any other comments, put them below. Please like and share, and we can't wait to see you guys in the next video.